Guys, June 18th, 2024. Finally, I got a call from a guy. He says his AC's icing up. Well, I told him to shut it off last night, and we're gonna go over there and see what's going on with it.
At the stop sign.
Probably a leaker. Probably a leaker. Sometimes these systems that leak, I mean, you gotta kind of weigh risk versus reward, if it's worth putting gas in it or not. Depends on how old the system is, if it's worth fixing, if it's a slow leak, if it's a big leak. It's a lot of things that come into effect here, right?
1/2 mile. Turn left on Slocum Road.
Gonna weigh the risk versus reward. You know, you spend all kinds of money in putting a coil in this coil in a leaker, and then the compressor dies, and then you know you might have been better off just adding gas for a little bit, and then replacing the whole system. You gotta kind of weigh all the odds. So we'll see if it's a leaker, how low it is, and if it's really low, I won't dump just gas in it because it'll leak right out. But if it's a little bit low, consider putting some gas in it and see how long it lasts for. Like I said, the system might run for 6 months and then blow a compressor or something.
Turn
I mean,
left at the traffic light.
there's no guarantees in this shit. Nothing's guaranteed. You ever clean these things? No?
No.
They're gonna need to. They're getting a little dirty.
Are they?
You gotta hose them down. Not with a power washer, but with the hose.
I did that like a month ago.
See how this is getting a little dirty? You gotta clean it.
Yeah, that was the only
With a hose.
Yeah.
Do them all.
Yep.
This one's alright. No, you gotta clean them both.
Yeah.
Alright, well, turn it on and we'll check it. I know it's gonna be low. It's 410A. It's icing up. Gotta get some gas. It's wet. Getting me all wet here. Huh? Ain't crazy bad.
Yeah.
It's a little bit, enough to ice it.
Yeah. I think it's a small leak.
Have you changed the filter inside?
I changed the
The air filter?
I changed the
Yeah, you got a leak somewhere, obviously.
yeah.
See, 80, 84?
Yep. Yeah.
That's pretty cold.
Yeah.
Anything below 100 is gonna have a tendency to want to ice.
Yeah.
You'll see how superheat at 42?
Yeah.
That's pretty high. So let's put some gas in it, bring this up,
Yeah.
the suction, and then we're gonna have to clean the coil after with the hose.
Okay.
But you got a garden hose here? We can spray it, after we're done, we'll spray it down.
Okay. I have it right here, but I don't have this. I don't have this.
I got a nozzle.
I have an nozzle. Okay. I'll have to buy a nozzle.
Yeah, you got a leak. Depends on how bad it is. Is it worth fixing?
Yeah.
I mean, it might need a little refrigerant. Might be good for a couple of years. Obviously, it's a leak somewhere. The problem is, it runs on high pressure. So after about 10 years, a lot of them start leaking.
Yeah.
It's probably in the evaporator, most likely inside in the coil. So to change that whole coil, you have to replace the whole coil. And it's like risk versus reward. What's better?
Yeah.
You know, you're going to spend, you know, $3,000-4,000 to replace a coil.
Or add gas.
The system's already what, 15 years old?
10,
So-
I think 10.
So you gotta kind of like, is it worth it?
Yeah. Hello?
Yep. I'm giving a little juice. It's a little low. Bring it up. I'm gonna bring that up above 100. Give it a little. How you doing? Just needs a little douche. A little douche will do ya. Wasn't really low, so not crazy bad. Don't want to overshoot it. See, we're already at 103. I mean, that wasn't bad. Give it a little bit more. Subcooling's supposed to be. Alright, we're at 109 now. Let that run for a bit. We didn't put a lot in it. This soup heat should start coming down. That's better. See where we're at here? We're at 110 now on our suction, see it?
Yeah.
Our superheat should start coming down a little bit. Subcooling right around 10, that ain't bad.
That's not bad.
Before we were in the 80s, remember?
Yeah, went up pretty quick, huh?
Yeah, it wasn't crazy low.
Yeah.
Put it this way, you said 80, right?
Yep.
On the 410, there's our chart here, right?
Yep.
So 80, 410 is 21 degrees. See, that's pretty cold. That's in the evaporator, 21.
Yeah.
Plus you gotta regulate your superheat, but still that's, anything below 100 could freeze, because it's below zero.
Yeah.
The lower the pressure, the lower the temperature.
Gotcha.
Now what kind of filters are you running?
I got them now at Home Depot. I don't know the brand.
You don't want to buy real good ones. You want to buy if you're gonna buy the pleated ones, buy the cheapest pleated.
Yeah.
Because you need airflow.
I'd have to show you. Yeah.
You don't buy. I think you're gonna purify the air with these filters.
Yeah, no,
That's
I
not
don't,
a good.
I just bought whatever I saw, but I don't know.
You want to buy the one that's less MERV.
Yeah, you let more in.
You need the airflow.
Yeah.
Because around here, no one puts enough return air in, so your system's already choked.
Yeah.
Then when you put the fancy filters in, you choke it even more.
Gotcha.
You know? Alright, so this ain't bad here. See where we're at?
Yeah.
It should be alright, but we gotta hit this coil with the hoses.
Okay.
You want me to do it, or you gonna do it?
You can do it if you want.
Alright.
Right here.
That ain't bad there. Yeah, while I'm here, I might as well. Take me 2 minutes to hit it with the hose. Right? I rinsed them both off with the hose.